Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to, it's very simple, it won't take very long, it's just how to create a post, how to edit the post, and also how to create a page and edit a page. They're very similar in the processes. The difference between a post and a page is not a great deal. So the first thing we'll do is I'll actually go ahead and we'll create a post. Now, in order to do this, you can see I'm on my website, and I'm going to go up to you can either go to dashboard and create a post there, or it's much quicker to go to plus new and then post. Okay, now if you were doing a page, you just click on page. So we'll do a post first. I haven't pre-organized any sort of a post, so I'll just basically write some generic stuff and probably delete it later. Okay, so how to create a post. Right here. So that would be the title. Okay, that is going to be in your URL. For instance, mine is markwhiteley.com. So for instance, it would be markwhiteley.com / how to create a post. Okay, so that's the title of the post, and here is where you actually do it. So in this box here, you actually go ahead and you type the content. Here is where I'm going to write my post. Okay, so a couple of things I want to show you. When you first come here, it will look like such. Okay, now there's a few things I wanted to show you. You've got two options here. You've got visual, which is your visual editor, and you've got text, which is in HTML. So you can see you've got these little codes here and whatnot as well, and you can use all these codes to do your work as well. But it's much easier to do it in visual, which is a WYSIWYG editor. So it's basically what you see is what you get, and this here is called the kitchen sink. Very strange name, but if you click on that, it will show all the other utilities that you've got at your basically things that you can use to create your post. Okay, now these are the same for pages and posts. You'll see the same stuff this here as well, all the same. So let's say, for instance, I'll just go through them. Let's say if I say I'm going to bold something, so you just go ahead and you click on it and you drag your little mouse across and you click on the B, and that will bold that for us. Okay, now let's say I wanted to underline it. You can underline it. Okay, now let's say for instance I wanted to center the entire thing. Just here is center. Okay, now let's say I wanted to create it into a bullet point. You can use bullet point. Yeah. Now let's say I wanted to change the size of the graphics and change the color. So first of all, let's change the color. Just go ahead and we'll change it to, let's say, red. Okay, so we've now got red text. Okay, now I'm going to highlight the whole lot again, and I'll show you the sizes. So you've got H1 or heading 1 is the largest, H2, 3 and 4 and so on. It gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So let me just show you H1. Okay, so it's very large. It's good for headlines. Okay, and we'll center that. Now I'll show you another thing. If I wanted to create a link, either to a link to an affiliate product, or a link to another website, or a link to another part of your website, you can go ahead and do this. So let's say I wanted to link this word. So basically this word here will be hyperlinked. If someone clicks on this word, it will take them to a designated URL or page or post. Okay, so click on this little insert link. Very simple, and you can go ahead and type in your link in here. Alrighty, or so the URL of the link you want to go to, or if you wanted to link to something within your own site, you just click on this button here, so you got all link to existing content, and that'll show all your other pages and posts in your website. So say for instance I wanted to link to this one here, getting traffic. I would click on that and click add link, and you see how it's added it up the top there. Okay, so I click on add link, and now we have a link. Okay, very, very simple. If you make any mistakes, you can click on the back button, and that will actually undo anything you've done. Another thing, if you've got some Microsoft Word or a text document, so if you've got a text document that's in Notepad or whatever it may be, and you want to upload it, you can't just copy it straight from the text document and paste it in here like this. You need to open up this little tab here, and then you actually go ahead and you paste your text in here and click insert. Okay, and then that'll insert it. Otherwise, if you do it the other way, it'll add all sorts of funny code to the writing, and it just won't look right. All right. Same thing if you want to do it in Word. So you go ahead and you click on that and you insert it from there. If you want to remove certain parts of the formatting, so if I just went like such and I click there, it's going to remove some of that formatting that I just did. Okay, I believe I should be able to do that again. Okay, so it would have removed some more formatting. Okay, so now let me put that back. To H1. Okay, and what I'm going to do is center it again. Oops, wrong button. I'll center it. Okay, so another thing I want to quickly show you is how to add media to it. So say if you wanted to put a picture of yourself or a picture of anything really, you click on add media. Now you've got two options here. You can upload files, so you can go upload, you select files, and then you just basically go to any image you've got on your computer, okay, and then you can go and double click on that or click on it and open it, and that will begin the upload. Otherwise you can go to media library and you can select an image. So I'll select a pretty picture of me, not really a pretty picture, but it's a picture anyway, and you'll see once it's loaded up, you'll see here, you'll see this information come up on the side. You can give it a title and your alt text. You can put a caption in. If you put a caption in, that will be displayed there, and so will the description. But the title and the alt text is important purely for search engine optimization techniques, basically. So Google won't see an image. It does not see images. It sees this alt text and the title. Okay, so it reads it. So if you've got like, say for instance, you're doing dog collars as your website, and that's just the keyword or the sort of the target, the niche you're targeting, you might have latest dog collar in here and latest dog collar here if it's a picture of a dog collar, and that's going to help with the rankings for you as well, okay, because it's related to the niche or the website. Now a couple of other options you got here. You can have it centered, left, right, or no alignment. Let's just leave it centered for now. You can have it linked to the actual media file, okay, so if people click on that, it'll actually click on the image, it'll go to the media file. Or you can attach a page, or you can go to a custom URL. So this is a good one if you wanted to link that to an affiliate product or to another page or to another website. Or you can have none, which is what I'll do here. And then we want to leave it full size. Now if you choose thumbnail, it'll actually crop the image you've got and cut it down inside, which is no good. So we'll leave it full size, and I'll show you how you can change the sizes in a minute. So we'll insert that into the post, and as you can see, it's ginormous. Okay, so say if I wanted it to be smaller, all you do is you click on it, you grab these little corners here, just get it so you can see everything, grab these little corners here, and you can change the size. Okay, now once you click on it, you'll see these two items. This is a good way, this is for deleting it, and this is how you can make some more advanced changes to the image. So now you can actually choose the size here. Okay, you can change the alignment, you can change the title and the captions and the alt text as well. Okay, now if you go at the top here, you've got advanced settings. Click on that, and you'll notice we've got this other stuff come up. So that's the source. So if you needed that for other reasons, and I'll explain them later, this is the source. Okay, this is where it was uploaded to. So it's your uploads and the name of the actual image. Okay, you can change the width and the height here to a specific pixel. Okay, styles. So you've got these different styles here. So you can image properties. So say for instance you've got a border around your image and you don't want the border. Click on 0, and that'll change it to no border at all. Now you can have vertical spacing and horizontal spacing. So you can give it a bit of a buffer vertically or horizontally. Okay. Advanced link settings, you can use titles, link relevances, and CSS class, styles, and target. So the target there, you can open it, if it's clickable, you can open that in a new window. Okay, so let's update that. Okay, so I've now updated the image. Okay, so that is pretty much the basics of your writing a post. Now, as you're aware, we did add in a couple of other things earlier on with the widget, with the all-in-one SEO option. So normally you would come down the bottom here and you would actually enter in more details for your all-in-one SEO, but because we already set it up on the main setups feature, we don't need to do that. The only thing we need to do is give this a category. So if we're going to give this post a category. We're going to call it, it just makes it easy for people to find, so it's how to create a post. So we'll just call it creating a post, okay? And then you click add new, and that will come up the top. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to keep this post, okay? So otherwise you can just click on any one of these, okay, and it'll add the category to yours as well. Same thing with tags. You can choose from your most used tags if this is not your first post or page, and then you can also add a new tag, okay? So tags are just a good way for the search engines to know why the people have come across this page. You know, the sort of search engines like Google and Yahoo and all that. So you've got tags in there. They're like your keywords basically, and people can click on the tags and they'll take them to the relevant post or page in relation to that tag, okay? So that's pretty much it when it comes to writing a post. Now if you're going to do a page, it's almost exactly the same, so I'm not going to save that. By the way, sorry, same thing with the post. When you're finished writing it, you click on publish, okay, and that publishes it and makes it live, okay? Same with the page. You enter your page title here, you've got your WYSIWYG editor here, and you type your content in here. Same thing here, you go ahead and you have no categories or tags on a page, but you do have the option to, so say if you've got, see I've got lots of different page titles. Say if I wanted to put it underneath a particular page, so it's like a subheading, you would click on any one of those that you've got there and it would become a sub page of that main page, okay? If you have no parent in there, it basically means it'll be a top level page, okay? You can change the templates as well, so you can have just a full width page, okay, or a full width page with no title and a page with no title, okay? Page with no title basically means you're still going to have your sidebar widgets. Full width page with no title is no sidebar widgets and no title. A full width page is a full width page without the widgets but with the title, okay? And that's pretty much it. So if you wanted to change the order, so if you've got 3 other pages and you don't like the order of them, you can actually go ahead and put its particular order in here, and that'll change where it sits on your menus, okay? You click publish and you're done. Same thing with adding media, exactly the same. If you want to add a video to this, I'll show you that. I think I might have already showed you that, but I'll show you that in an alternative video. Very simple. You just go to YouTube, and at the bottom of each video there'll be an option to share and embed. Okay, so I'll quickly show you. Can't hurt. Let me just open a new tab here. I'll go to YouTube for instance. Okay, and we'll just grab any old, we'll just type in, so if it's pet care, okay. Now if it's your own video, it's just the same process, so you would upload your own video to YouTube, which we'll discuss that, I'll go through that in another video, but if it's your own video, fine, you just do the same process as this. So let's say we wanted to grab this video and put it on our website, so we click on that, and obviously it's about to start playing, but I will pause it when it eventually starts playing. Okay, there's an ad. Sorry about that, folks, it probably blew your ears away, it blew mine away. Okay, so there's an ad there, so what we want to do is click on share.
Back to the Roadshow. Preparing for a new puppy at home?
Gosh, okay, scaring the hell out of me. Click on share, click on embed, then you grab this code here. So you copy that code, and so share, embed, copy the code, head back over to your page or your post, you go to text, okay, very important, you have to go to text because this is a HTML code. You paste it in there, then you go back to visual, and you'll see there is a video there now, okay? So we can resize that video, you know, we can do whatever we want, okay? Oh yeah? So that's how you add a video, and I do apologise about that loud noise before. Once you're done, you click publish, and that video will then become live, okay, on your actual website. Alright, this video is stretching out a little bit, so I'll end it here. But that is how to create posts and pages, all the different features, how to upload a video and upload images to either posts or pages, and how to set them up correctly. Okay, keep in tune for the next video. The next video we're going to be actually getting our affiliate links, okay, so we can do some affiliate marketing and start making a bit of money from your website. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.